and we made love. This is more than.
Okay, so now we're in part 2 of the video where I'm going to wash my locks, retwist them and put them in a style. But the main attraction is using this Magic Collection Colorffect, like perfect Colorffect. Anyway, it's a hair color wax. So I'm gonna be trying this out. I seen it in the beauty supply store and I was like, I wanted to try this out, but I just like never ordered it. But it was on my list of things to eventually go order. And what do you know? They had it in the local beauty supply store. So that makes it so much better. It says it's easy to rinse out, so we shall see. Thankfully, I have a long weekend, so I can have time to actually try it out and see if it rinses out. So if it doesn't rinse out in a day or anything like that, then I know. I got it in the color red. The bottle looks pink, but it's not. I guess the color is red. So we'll see how it looks on my hair. I'm gonna mainly apply it to my tips, and yeah, we'll see from there. This is, you're just gonna watch this experiment with me. So okay, so now I have my freshly washed hair. I just washed it and conditioned it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead in with my moisturizing tonic, oil, spray, mist, whatever the heck you want to call it. If you want to know what I did or what I put in it, make sure you go ahead and watch that video. I'm going to link it up above in the cue cards and put it in the description box below. And then I'm going to go ahead in with the hair color wax. The directions say it can be used on wet or dry hair, but best results when hair is damp. Rub desired amount of Colorffect on palms and fingers and glide through desired air until apply. Repeat until complete. You can let it dry naturally or use dryer to set the color. This product would not transfer until water is added. Remove with single wash. This is what it looks like. I don't know how I'm feeling about this. It's like not even, for one, it's not even red. It looks more pink like it obviously looks, and it's, I don't know. I mean, maybe it has to settle in there. Okay, so I applied it onto like 4 or 5 locks, and it's looking very pinkish, purplish, magenta. Yep, that's the color right there, magenta. And I don't know how I feel about this right now. It's giving me very not what I wanted vibes.
It's not even giving what y'all said it was supposed to give. No.
Okay, so I don't think I'm going to continue because this is not the color that I wanted, and I don't know, it's just not sitting well with me. Mine, I mean, it's not bad at all. Like, it's easy to apply and all that, but it is messy. So be mindful of like what you're touching afterwards. Maybe it might look different once it settles in, but it's looking really purplish, magenta. Like it's got some like a little ombre effect going in, depending on how well you applied it or how much you applied it. But it's not giving me what I wanted, so I don't know. I took like a video on my phone. I mean, it looks cute. So who knows? I might change my mind. We'll see. But I'm going to style my hair, or I might just do that in the morning, do my makeup, and then I'll show y'all the end results for tomorrow. So hey, so I forgot to record the ending to that video, but I ended up doing my hair. I did like a twist in the front, and I did a 2-strand twist in the back. I just recently took them down. That's what I ended up doing with my hair. And then I did wash it out. I did wash that color out, and it was really easy to get out. I just rub it a little bit, you know, a couple times, and that's all it was. It's just water activated, like it said. So it was true on that part. I didn't like it, but I will say that I think I would just do a different color next time. That red was not red. I know in some of the video it did look red, but in person it just wasn't, and that's not what I wanted, so I didn't like it. So yeah, other than that, I hope you guys found the video at least a little bit entertaining. You saw my little fail, so you take it for what it is. And yeah, so make sure you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time.